Find the perfect flooring in Farmingdale, New York. Style, durability and everyday comfort. When you're upgrading your flooring in Farmingdale, New York, it's not just about picking something that looks good, it's about finding the right fit for your lifestyle. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or someone who simply wants a low-maintenance floor that still brings warmth and beauty to a space, Farmingdale, New York has flooring options for everyone. Vinyl flooring in Farmingdale, New York. Looking for something that's stylish, budget-friendly, and easy to maintain? Vinyl plank flooring is a great choice. Available in a variety of colors and patterns, including wood and stone looks, vinyl flooring in Farmingdale, New York gives you a high-end look without the high-end price. Is vinyl plank flooring 100% waterproof? Yes, many vinyl options today are fully waterproof. Engineered hardwood flooring in Farmingdale, New York. Want the classic look of hardwood with added stability? Engineered hardwood flooring in Farmingdale, New York gives you that natural wood beauty with better resistance to temperature and moisture changes. It's a smart choice for homes in Farmingdale, especially for spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, or even kitchens. Waterproof flooring in Farmingdale, New York. For families with pets, kids, or just a lot of activity, waterproof flooring in Farmingdale, New York is a game changer. Whether it's luxury vinyl plank, tile look vinyl, or rigid core flooring, these products are designed to handle spills, splashes, and accidents with ease. Ready to upgrade your floors in Farmingdale, New York? Whether you're remodeling one room or updating your whole home, Z4 Flooring is here to help. From vinyl and waterproof flooring to engineered hardwood, we offer products that match your style and your life. Call Z4 Flooring today to schedule your free consultation and see why so many Farmingdale homeowners trust us with their floors.